Hello students of standard 10th. Today we will see tangent theorem. A tangent at any point of a circle is perpendicular to the radius at the point of contact. Now here first we will draw one circle here with center O. Its radius is OA and line L is here, which is tangent to the circle at point A. A is called point of contact. Now from this figure we will write given. Line L is a tangent to the circle with center O at the point of contact A. Now we have to prove here this line L is perpendicular to radius OA. So prove that tangent is perpendicular to the radius. Now prove. This proof is by indirect proof method. We have to prove here line L is perpendicular to radius OA. Now we will assume that line L is not perpendicular to seg OA or radius OA. We have to show it is perpendicular, but assume that line L is not perpendicular to seg OA. Now line L is not perpendicular to seg OA means there is another segment which is perpendicular to the line L. Now suppose seg OB is drawn perpendicular to line L. Now here you see, if this seg OA is not perpendicular to line L means another segment OB which is perpendicular to line L. So we have to do construction here. Take one more point C on line L such that this AB and BC are equal and this OB is perpendicular to line L. Now remember here B is not same as E. A and B are two distinct points. Now construction is, now take point C on line L such that A dash B dash C and AB equal to BC. This is the construction. Now we will get here two triangles, triangle OBC and triangle OBA. You see here triangle OBC and down triangle is OBA. Prove them congruent. I am showing you here AB is congruent to seg BC by construction. Then angle OBA and angle OBC are congruent because each angle is 90 degree or right angle, and then seg OB is common to them. Now we will write here seg BC is congruent to seg BA. What is the reason? Construction. Angle OBC is congruent to angle OBA, just I told you, because each angle is right angle or their measure is 90 degree. Seg OB is congruent to seg OB because it is common side. Therefore, by S test, triangle OBC is congruent to triangle OBA. And when two triangles are congruent, their corresponding sides are congruent. Here it is CSCT. Corresponding sides of congruent triangles. Which are corresponding sides? Seg OC is congruent to seg OA. When segments are congruent, that time their lengths are equal. Therefore, OC equal to OA. But seg OA is a radius. If OA is radius and OA equal to OC, then OC is also a radius of the circle. Now C lies on the circle because outer point is on the circle. A is on the circle, therefore C is on the circle. That means line L intersect the circle in two distinct points A and C. But line L is a tangent, and we know tangent intersect the circle in only one point. Now we proved here line L intersects circle in 2 points A and C. But by definition line L intersects circle in only one point. Means our assumption line L is not perpendicular to radius OA is wrong. If assumption is wrong, then what is true or correct? Line L is perpendicular to radius OA, and hence this theorem is proved here. Your homework is write this theorem and its proof in your Maths 2 notebook.